Hi, my dear students. Today we are discussing a rest of concept in progression. So, previously we were discussed the concept of progression, then some of the numericals which are based upon the concept of the given situation is arithmetic progression or not. Then the numericals we were done on the finding nth term of the APs. In the last class, we were done some of the questions which are related on the finding sum of terms of given AP. That is n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And one more formula also known to us, that is Sn is equals to, that is n by 2 of a plus an. Okay. So by using these formulas, let us perform some of the problems or answers in this particular class. So my dear students, myself Hatira, I am running this particular channel towards the students who cannot able to afford towards their tuition fee. They can sit at home with simply their mobiles. They can able to save the thousands of rupees at home. Okay, the main motto of this channel is that. Okay, if you are interested in the content, then subscribe this channel. Okay, to get the more informative related videos. Let us start. Find the sum of following APs, like a 2, 7, 12 and 10 is given. So see, here first term is 2 and common difference is second term minus first term is equal to 5. So 10 terms are there, we have to find their sum. 10 terms sum we have to find. So Sn is equals to a plus, it is n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into, it is d. So 10 by 2 of 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 of d is simply called 5. That is 5 of 2 2s are 4, 10 minus 1 9, 9 into 5 45. So 5 of 49, it is 245. Okay, so sum of 10 terms of the given AP is the 245. I hope this is very easy, and this kind of model problems we were done in try these. Nearly 3 questions we were done. Same question. Okay, find the following sum of the terms. How many terms? 12 terms we have to calculate. So here A is minus 37, common difference is 33, minus of minus 37, minus 33 plus 37, so it is nothing but plus 4. Okay, then here n is equals to 12 terms, then S12 we have to calculate. So formula you know, I am substituting directly. 12 by 2 of 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into common difference 4. It is 6. So 6 of minus 72. It is 11 4s are 44. Okay, so 6 of, if you will subtract it is, we will get C 72, okay, and 44. So we are getting, this is becomes 6, it is 12, 12 onwards 4, 8, 8 in, and this is nothing but 2 we are getting. So minus 22. Okay, so Anyway, this is 74, sorry, 74. If this is 74, if you subtract it, it becomes 0 and this is 3. Over here, it is 180 we are getting, minus 180. Yes, 12 is equals to minus 180. Next, here first term is 0.6, A is 0.6 and D is 1.7 minus 0.6 is equal to 1.1. How many terms sum we have to calculate? N is equals to 100 terms. So S 100 is equals to 100 by 2 of 2 into 0.6 plus 100 minus 1, 99 into 1.1. So for that, 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. So 99 into 1.1, if you do it, then 50 of 1.2 plus it is 108.9, add that is, so 50 into, it becomes 110.1. Solution is simply we will get 5505. So 100 terms sum is like this, we will find it. Simple, my dear students. You have to do multiplication here, then you have to add, afterwards you have to multiply with the 50. You can do that multiplication easily. Next, find the sum of the following terms. Again same method. Fourth question in this is, we will get a first term as a is equals to 1 by 15, D is equals to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 50. So LCM is for these two, we will get 60. It is 5 times 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60. So 1 by 60 is common difference. Afterwards, we have to find the sum of 11 terms. S11 is equals to 11 by 2 of 2 into A 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 into common difference 1 by 60. Then 11 by 2 of 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 60. So 11 by 2 are of we can do as LCM is 60. If 15 is 4 times, 4 2s are 8. Okay, plus 16 61 times 1 into 10 10. So here getting that 11 by 2 of 18 upon 60. 6 3s are 6 10s are. So 33 by 20. We can write as 33 divided with 20. Ones are 20. 13 LCM. So 1 13 by 20. 1 13 by 20. So this is what the sum of 11 terms of this AP. Mixed fraction, I written the answer here. Okay, my dear students. Okay, so 11 terms sum we were calculated as like this. Next question. Find the sum of given below. Same model, but here in this last term is given. So from this number of terms we can calculate and then we can find the sum. First term is there. To find the common difference, seventh term is there and last term is also there. So what we can do is first term is 7, common difference is 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 1 21 by 2 minus 7. LCM 2, here is 1, So 21, because 2 into 1 time, next 1 into 2 times 2 sevens are 14. So we will get a common difference as a simply how much ma? It is 7 upon 2. Common difference we got it. So after getting common difference, what we have to do is, nth term is given. An is equals to 84. Okay. Then An is given. First and common difference is known. N we can calculate. Done. That is A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 84. A how much? 7 plus n minus 1. Common difference is 7 by 2 is equals to 84. Yeah, I can do somewhat 7 by taking common, but we will do later. 7 by 2 of n minus 1. This 7 is get transferred this side. So it is 84 minus 7. 77 we are getting. So 7 by 2 of n minus 1 is 77. Then what we can do, n minus 1 is equals to 77 into 2 by 7. It is 11 times. 11 2s are 22. So n minus 1 is 22. N is equals to 23. Because this will go here and get plus 1. Okay, that number of terms are 23. Then 23 sum we have to know. Sum of 23 terms. Otherwise, there is a formula is there. What is that? First term and second term we know. Then last term formula is there, no? That is S23 is equals to n by 2 of A plus an. This formula you can use. This is the best formula you can able to use, and you can solve the answer here. So 23 by 2 of first term 7 plus last term 84. So that is 23 by 2, that is added to this 84. So we will get 91. So 91 we are getting. 23 by 2 into 91. If we will multiply 2093 by 2 we are getting, which is nothing but 10461 by 2. So simply you can do that. So we will get last remainder of 1, and divisor is 2. So 1046 half we will get it. Okay, my dear students, next question. Same as the previous question. Again, to find the solution, A is equal to 34 given. Common difference is nothing but 32 minus 34 is equals to minus 2. Last term is given. An is equals to 10. Then A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 10. Then A is 34 plus n minus 1 into common difference is minus 2 is equal to minus, it is 10. 34 transfer that side. 10 minus 34 will become, that is minus 2 n minus 1. So it is R of 24 we are getting. N minus 1 is equals to minus 24 by minus 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. It becomes 12. So n minus 1 is become 12. Then n is equal to, it becomes 13. So n we got 13. Then use the formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 of A plus last term we can write it. So 13 by, nth term means last term both are same only. Okay, that is A is what? 34 plus last term is 10. Okay, so 13 upon 2 of 44. It is 22. So 13 20 is 2 sir. 13 22 sir. It becomes 286. So this is what the answer is. I hope you are able to understand these all the questions which I am explaining to you. So similar question as like a previous one, negative integers addition is there. So we have to find their solution, sum of the terms. So we don't know terms. Again same method, that is a is equals to minus 5, d is equal to minus 8 minus 5. Minus 8 minus or minus plus, it become 5, that is minus 3. So an is equal to minus 230, then a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to minus 230. So minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3 is equals to minus 230. Bring this 5 that side. So minus 3 n minus 1 is equal to minus 230 plus 5. Minus 225 upon minus 3 is n minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. 3 sevens are 21, 3 fives are 15. So n minus 1 is 75. Then n is equal to 75 plus 1 is 76. So we got it that number of terms are 76. So sum of 76 is equal to n by 2 of first term plus last term. So first term how much here is the total term 76 by 2. First term minus 5. Last term is 230. So it is 3 and as well as 8, 38 times. So 38 of minus 235, because both are negative integers. If you will add, again negative integers should come by increasing a number. So if you multiply both these are, then 8930 we will get. So sum of 76 terms of the AP is as 8930. Okay, this is what the answer for this particular Roman. So this is the third question. In this there is some terms will be given and some terms will be missed. Those missing terms we have to calculate. Nearly 5 to 6 questions will be. So up to that we will discuss in this class. Be patient, listen all the questions and try to practice by pause the question. Okay, then A is given, D is given, N is given. Nth term we have to find N terms. So as we know N, then we can say A plus N minus 1 into D is equals to 50. Till now we have done this model. And Sn, same model like a previous question. So 5 plus N minus 1, common difference is 3, which is equal to 50. Transfer this 5 that side. 3 into N minus 1 is equals to 50 minus 5, which is 45. So 3 n minus 1 value is this, then n minus 1 value how much? 45 by 3. It is nothing but simply 15. So n is equal to 15 plus 1, n is equal to 16. After that is you have to find sum of terms. So sum of n terms, that is n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. As you see, there is a number of terms are 16, then as 16 is equal to 16 by 2. First term given that 5. 2 5s are 10 plus 16 minus 1 is 15. Anyway, difference is nothing but 3. So it is 8. Okay. It is 10. Okay. It's 16 minus 1, 15 into 3. So 8 of 10 plus 45. 8 of, it is nothing but 55. If you multiply, this is, we are getting 440. So sum of 16 terms of this AP is nothing but 440. So how we solved easily? First term and common difference are given, nth term is given. Then we can find the number of terms. Then sum of terms by the first term and common difference we can able to calculate easily. Okay. So see the next one. So first term is given and as well as the 13th term is given. We can calculate anyway with the help of this data. We can calculate this is. Then sum of 13th term we can calculate by the first and last term formula is there no? With that is. So solution to do this is A is equal to 7. A13 is equal to 35, which means A plus 12D is equal to 35. 7 plus 12D is equal to 35. Then 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. So it is of 12D, which is of how much we will get? 28 by 12. So 4 3s are 4 7s are. Sorry, we have to remove this 12 here first. Then D common difference is equal to 7 by 3. After knowing that S13 one we want, that is n by 2 of A plus L. L is nothing but 13th term here. L is nothing but 13th term. So 13 by 2, first term is 7 and 35. 13 and 42 by 2. 21. Okay, so if you multiply here 13 into 21, which is equal to 273. So I hope it's clear. Next question. Here we go with the next question, that is 12th term is given, common difference is given. From the 12th term we will get A. Then sum of 12 terms. Easy, this is also. D is equal to 3. Then A12 is equals to 37 means A plus 11D is equal to 37. So A plus 11 into 3 is equal to 37. Then A plus 33 is equal to 37. So A is equal to 37 minus 33. A is equals to 4. You know first and as well as 12th term and as well as first term. So S12 is equals to what we can say? N by 2 of A plus L we can say. So 12 terms by 2, first term is 4, last term is 37. It is 6. 6 into 41. 6 41s are 246. Okay. Yes. Next question. Third term and as well as something they given S10. Difference and 10th term we have to calculate. Anyway, from these two variable equations we will get those two variable equation. If we will solve, we will get A and D. Then we can calculate 10th term. So A3 is equals to 15 means A plus 2D is equals to 15. Unknown is A and D. Similarly, S10 is equals to what we know? It is 125 means 10 by 2 of 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equals to 125. So it is 5 times 5 2A plus 9D is equal to 125. 5 ones are 5 25s are. So 2A plus 9D is equals to 25. This is equation 2. I told you, two variable equations 2 will come. If you will solve them, you can get their solution. So here we want to eliminate one term. For that, what I will do is I will multiply first equation with 2. So equation 1 is multiplied with the 2. So what we will get? 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. Okay. So this is equation 3 we will take. Now equation 3 minus 2, if we will do it, 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. Then 2a plus 9d is equals to 25. Then subtraction, it became 0. Minus 5d is equals to plus 5. D is equal to, it is 1 time, minus 1. So d how much we got, ma? It is simply, we got it that minus 1. After getting minus 1, when we were done any kind of mistake here, there is a we are getting 125. Okay, minus 1 we got it d here. Okay, so d value we got it as a minus 1, and from this is, if we substitute any one of the equation, we will get a value. So from 2, if we see, 2a plus 9 into minus 1 is equals to 25. So 2a value is 25 minus 9. If you do it, then we are getting 16. So 2a is 16, then a is equal to 16 by 2, it is 8. So first term we got 8. Common difference is nothing but d is equal to minus 1. First term we got it as 8. So we want a10. a10 is equals to a plus 9d, 8 plus 9 of minus 1. 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. So 10th term is nothing but simply minus 1. We got it. Okay. I hope there is some mistake is there. If you will take this value as 175, then we may get the answer as 22, I think. Otherwise, there may be, you check it once with the 175. Okay, so which answer you will get it, please make me comment here. Next, a value given, d value given, sn is given, n we have to calculate, an we have to calculate. So sn is equals to 90, which means n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 90. So n by 2 of 2 into a, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into d, d is 8, which is equal to this is. Then n by 2 of, what we will do is 4 plus 8n minus 8 is equals to 90. So n by 2 of 8n minus 8 minus 4 is minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4, which is equal to 90. I will multiply inside 8n into n square by 2 plus 4n by 2 is equals to 90. It is R of 4, it is R of 2. So still we are getting that 4n square minus 2n is equals to 90. Take a common 2, so that 2n square minus n is equals to 90. This is R of 45 times. So 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. So we got a quadratic equation here. So first term and last term you multiply 2n square. It is become minus 90 n square we are getting. So 9 tens are 90. So with that we can perform 2n square is equals to, I can say 10n minus 9n. So we will take this is plus and this is minus. 2n taken common, then we are getting n here, and 2n gone, it is 5 left. Take 9 common, n minus 5 is equal to 0. So n minus 5 is common, 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. So sorry, 2n minus 5. n minus 5 is equal to 0, 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. So here n is equals to 5 and n is equals to minus 9 by 2. So discard this value. So discarded this value because n will not be negative integer anytime. So we have that is n is equals to 5. Then a5 we have to calculate. An means a5 is equals to a plus 4d. So a is nothing but 2 plus 4 into 8. 2 plus, it is 32. It is R of 34. Okay, my dear students, do you got the answer here? Done. Next. Here the question, that is an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, sn is equal to minus 14. Then a and first term we have to calculate. So an is equals to 4 they were given. Then it is a plus an is equals to 4, a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 4. So a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but 2 given is equals to 4, that is a plus 2n, it is minus 2 is equals to 4. Then a plus 2n is equals to, transfer this is, so it will become 6. Keep it as like this. This is, then I can say a is equal to 6 minus 2n. I can say, let us say this is equation 1, because I don't know what is here a and what is n also I don't know, but there is one more equation is given. What is that? Sn is equals to minus 14, that is n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to, it is minus 14. n is not given, so let me take it n as it is. To a value I am taking that 6 minus 2n. So plus n minus 1 into d already known, 2 minus 14. Let me take as it is. This is, so here 2 there, here also 2 there, I will take 2 common out. So 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1, this is equals to minus 14. These two common. So n of, see 6 minus 6 minus 1, 5. Minus 2n plus n minus n is equals to minus 14. So 5n minus n square is equals to minus 14. Okay, done. Then what we can do is transfer this LHS that side. N square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. So 14 into n square, first and last term if you multiply, then we will get that minus 14 n square, 7 2s are, we can write it, n square 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. N is taken common, n minus 7 will be, here 2 take it common, then n minus 7 will be is equal to 0. N minus 7 common, then n plus 2 is equal to 0. Here 2 values we are getting. N minus 7 is equal to 0 means n is equal to positive integer. N plus 2 is equal to 0, then n we are getting a negative integer. So discard this value. So n value is 7, we got it. So what we have to find here? We have to find a. A if you want to find, then A is equals to, from equation 1, 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2 into 7. 6 minus 14. So we will get, that is simply minus 8. Okay. So answer is A is equals to minus 8, N is equal to 7. Yeah, my dear students, I hope you understood this. So today, this is the last question, that is given L last term as a 28, sum of terms is given, and there are total 9 terms are there. A how much? Yes, 9 is equals to n by 2 of A plus L. So 114 given is equals to 9 by 2 of A plus 28. So is possible to divide this is 9 ones are 9 ones are, then it may be 54 left, it is 16 times. So 16 into 2 is equals to A plus 28. 32 minus 28 is equals to A, then A is equals to 4. Yes, so it's done, my dear students. With this today's class we are winding. In the next class, rest of the questions which are present in the next, we will discuss it. Okay, have a great day, my dear students. Please concentrate on the subject which I am teaching you. Write the notes and share with your friends. Don't forget to like it. Have a great day. Thank you, my dear students. Bye. Signing off, myself, Hatira.